You're so beautiful.
Wow.
Whoa.
Baby bird.
Whoa, she said she nice like what you Candy. Candy a buzzing bird, but you need a new pair of teeth.
Me no want
Virgo,
no teeth.
Rob.
I don't need no teeth. No teeth.
Tell him.
Gums. Gum and gum. Gum
Go
and
back.
gum and gum. More gum. Me a kill me the gum.
Candy, you and baby lad still talk?
No.
No. Clad monta question there. She's put I don't own the copyrights. Vania come a party.
Yeah.
I'll come now, man.
Man, come on. I'm a friend of my brother.
Candy, I look at who? I know Vani, man. Idiot. I try to sleep, my mouth sleep.
Hello?
Hello, girl. Carla.
Yes.
Carla?
Yes. Hello.
Carla?
I'm here. I'm hearing you.
I'm not Carla. Carla?
I am hearing you. What's going on? I'm hearing you.
Oh. Me swear the girl. Ivan.
No, it's not you. I tell you, when you hear her name, you don't get upset. You tell them you don't want to hear it, okay? They're trying to let you cuss, Kenzie. I told you, cussing is not good. You see, you're so beautiful. You don't need to argue with people, you know? Yes. So, you just keep on answer the questions, them, okay? Somebody says if you're going to the party later.
No.
Why are you not going to the party later?
Come here, me.
Oh, don't let your head hurt you then, oh yeah? You soon get some money in your cash up. You could, buy some drinks and enjoy yourself.
Wow,
Okay?
baby bird.
No.
I love it too. I love that bird. Yeah. You can't bother that.
Wow, baby bird.
Wow, baby.
So I'm kind of like Ivan.
I don't like a bone in the baby.
Listen, Candy. Listen. Candy, so let me ask you a question. Didn't I just talk to you, Candy? I just tell you don't pay her no mind. We don't want you arguing in the lab. And that's what they're trying to do. They're trying to set you up.
Jamaica nice your fuck.
Candy, they're trying to set you up for you to cuss here. Don't let them let you argue. Okay?
Yeah, you don't know our secret.
Yes, and we don't want you to talk our secret.
Candy, why your ear dry so? Tell me one gel. Move your blood clot, you know, answer them.
You know buy me a gel?
Yeah, right, sir.
I buy me a buckle of green.
Right, sir.
Ketchup I do it now.
The ketchup there, tell them.
Ketchup, come in at the ketchup. Baby, burp, ketchup, burp. One burp, the ketchup, baby.
Blood cleat. No,
Yeah, she could say about road blood cleat. And we say blood clot.
Right, that's
Baby, burp.
Yes, Candy, that's how I cuss my bad words. I say blood cleat or raw.
And we say blood clot.
Blood clot that you go take off this one.
And Candy, I say raw soul.
So we say pussy hole.
Yeah.
Pussy hole.
Jamaica nice bad. I like it. Right, that's so.
Jamaica nice bad. Laugh.
It just sit down for the baby, wrap up at the baby.
No, see baby there.
Never say put the baby in a pink and blue. A boy, blood clot picnic. If you put the baby in a pink
Come in a pink.
yeah, turn him in a sodomite early, bro. Wrap up the baby.
So Candy, is that your baby?
Yeah, my teddy bear.
I didn't know you had a baby. So cute.
Yeah, Wowie.
So when are you going back to the studio?
Next week, Thursday.
Okay, I wish you good. And I know you have something